There's that intent, finally. And fortune favours the brave for Fakhar. There he is. There he goes. First shot in anger. Don't think it's going to go all the way. Third is getting around it just about. Trickles into the ropes. Brings the Pakistan crowd alive. Now running at King Matt. Looking to get himself going here. Just running it the better. Forcing a change in the bowling. Well, that's where generally Fakhar Zaman likes to play again today. Well, caressed through the offside. Too much width. All of a sudden, Fakhar Zaman just getting into his groove. Yeah, the contest. That's what it's all about. Bat and ball. Oh, square of the wicket. Left-handers love it there. And all of a sudden, Pakistan and Fakhar Zaman are in the... Streaky. Gonna beat third as well. It's another boundary all of a sudden here in Rotterdam. It's raining fours. Against the bigger size, you have to feel it out of your skin. Lovely touch. Very nice from Fakhar Zaman. Just uses the pace. Should get back for a comfortable couple. Bandbreak. In the air, over the keeper. And one bounce for four. Well, 54. Short wide, but straight now. Got to get back online. Crunch down the ground for four. So before that boundary earlier in the over from Fakahr. Seems to step. Pulled out towards deep back. Backward square leg. And the gap is found. Perfectly bisects Arian Dat and Tim Pringle. Little pick up now from him in the same area. And it's the same result. Successive boundaries. Always is to take wickets. But Fakhar Zaman's response is to slog sweep for four. I think it just pitched inside the rope. Michael Goff's going to check. And he's happy. Raining for him. Slower ball. It's gone a long way up and it's gone a long way back. I thought initially it was a top edge. It probably was, but it's carried. Get on with. Runs away from a half century. From a century, I should say. Goes over mid-off. One bounce. And four. He's up to 99. There it is. The 7th one-day international 100 for Fakhar Zaman. He's gone past 2,500 one-day international runs in this innings. He's had some fortune. He was dropped before he reached 50. Wagon wheel runs all around the ground. Oh, and that's delicate. We saw power down the ground earlier in the over. And that was, well, a little bit of side screen, long on. Looks leg side, rightly so. It's a big boundary. She'll get back for a couple. Scott Evans had a chance. That's gone. Excellent in the deep. Brilliant work in the deep.